Hello, welcome back to my English with Sophia channel. Today, I will teach you the 10-minute English learning rule. This is very simple, very easy, and very powerful. I will explain this rule to you with an example. Think about learning to drive a car. Can you learn driving by just watching videos? Can you learn driving by reading books about cars? No. You must sit in the car. You must hold the steering wheel. You must practice on the road. You will make mistakes, but you will try again, and then one day, you can drive perfectly. Learning English is exactly the same. You cannot think your way to fluency, you must speak your way to fluency. Today, I will tell you a big secret: most people learn English the wrong way. They watch videos, they read books, they learn grammar rules, they memorize new words, but they forget one important thing: they don't speak. But you must watch the complete video, because the last part is the most important part. If you skip it, this method will not work for you, so stay with me until the end. Now, let me ask you something. How many times did you say, "I will practice speaking tomorrow"? Tomorrow comes and you are busy again, or maybe you think, "My English is not good enough. I need to learn more grammar first. I need more vocabulary first." This is the biggest mistake. This keeps you stuck forever. I have seen many students, they know perfect grammar, they can write correct sentences, but they cannot order food in a restaurant. They cannot talk on the phone. They cannot have a simple conversation. Why does this happen? Let me explain. When you only watch and read, your brain learns to understand English, but your mouth does not learn to speak English. Your brain knows the words. So what is this 10-minute rule? It is very simple. Every day, you must speak English for 10 minutes. Not listening, not reading, not writing, only speaking. You must use your voice. You must speak out loud. Now you might think, only 10 minutes. This is too short. How can 10 minutes help me? Listen carefully, this is why 10 minutes is perfect. 10 minutes is very short. You cannot make excuses. You cannot say, "I don't have time." Everyone has 10 minutes. You spend more time on Facebook. You spend more time on WhatsApp. But 10 minutes is also enough time to make big changes. How does that work? Let me tell you the science. Your brain learns by repetition. When you do something again and again, your brain remembers it. When you speak English every day for 10 minutes, your brain starts to remember English words. Your mouth starts to move faster. You don't need to translate anymore, English becomes automatic. Think about driving again. In the beginning, you think about everything: where is the brake? Where is the accelerator? But after practice, you drive automatically. You don't think, you just drive. Speaking English is the same. Practice every day, and after some time, you will speak automatically. But there is one more important thing: you cannot just speak randomly for 10 minutes. There is a special structure. This structure makes this method very powerful. Let me show you something. Your 10 minutes has 3 parts. Listen carefully. This is very important. Part 1 is imitation. This takes 3 minutes. Find a short English video or audio, maybe a TED Talk, maybe a movie clip, or maybe a YouTube video. Choose something where people speak naturally. Now play one sentence, stop the video, and repeat the same sentence out loud. Copy everything. Copy the pronunciation, copy the voice, and copy the feeling. Don't just say the words, act like the speaker. Do this with 5 or 6 sentences. Why does this work? Because you are training your ears and your mouth together. You learn how English really sounds, not how you think it does. Part 2, description. This takes 4 minutes. Look around you right now. Choose any object, your phone, your pen, your cup, your book, anything. Now describe this object in English. But don't just say, this is a phone. Say more, what color is it? How big is it? What do you use it for? Do you like it? Why do you like it? Speak continuously for 4 minutes. Don't stop. Don't think too much. If you don't know a word, use simple words. Explain it in a different way. Keep speaking. This is very important. This teaches your brain to think in English. You learn to speak even when you don't know perfect words. Part 3 is conversation simulation. This takes 3 minutes. Imagine someone asked you a question, simple questions like what did you do today, or tell me about your family, or what is your favorite food? Now, answer this question. Speak out loud. Speak like you are talking to a real person. Don't write first, don't plan, just speak naturally. And here is one powerful tip. Record yourself on your phone. Then, listen to your recording. You will hear your mistakes, you will hear where you stop, and you will hear what you need to improve. This will help you grow very fast. Now, I want to tell you about common mistakes. Please avoid these mistakes. Mistake number 1, people skip days. They practice for 2 days, then skip 1, then skip 3, then stop completely. Remember, you must practice every single day, even if you are tired. Even if you are busy. Just 10 minutes, no excuses. Mistake number 2. People practice in their mind. They think about speaking, but they don't speak out loud. This does not work. Your mouth needs real practice. You must speak with your voice. Mistake number 3. People feel ashamed of mistakes. They make one mistake and feel bad, they think my English is terrible. Listen to me carefully, mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning. Mistakes mean you are trying. Even native speakers make mistakes. Don't aim for perfect English, aim to communicate. Aim to express your ideas. Mistake number 4. People practice the same thing every day. If you describe your phone every day for 1 month, you will only learn to describe your phone. You need variety. Change your topics, talk about different things, try new words and challenge yourself. This is how you grow. I want you to understand one thing. Fluency does not come in 1 day. You will not become perfect tomorrow. But if you start the 10-minute rule today, you will see changes in 2 weeks. You will find words faster. You will feel less scared. You will feel more confident. After 1 month, other people will notice your English is getting better. After 3 months, you will have conversations easily. After 6 months, you will be amazed at your progress. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today, right now, after this video ends. So here is what you need to do right now. First, promise yourself you will try this for 1 week, just 7 days, 10 minutes each day. Only 70 minutes total. You can do this. Second, choose a specific time, maybe morning after breakfast, maybe afternoon during lunch break, or maybe night before sleeping. Third, write a comment below right now. Right, I am starting the 10-minute rule today. When you write this, you make a promise. You will follow through. Fourth, if this video is helpful, like this video. Please subscribe to this video. I am making helpful videos for English learners like you. And finally, remember this, every fluent speaker was a beginner like you. The only difference is they practiced and they were consistent. They gave 10 minutes every day. You have everything you need. You just start. So stop waiting. Stop making excuses. Your 10 minutes starts today. I believe in you. Now go and practice. Thank you.